In the world of B2B supply, the difference between a good product and a premium one is in the details. Welcome to Changzhou Enhanced New Material Technology. I'm here to show you how we ensure 100% surface protection and precision for our acoustic slat wood panels and MDF board. First, we use an automated vacuum lift system. Unlike manual loading, this ensures zero friction and zero scratches on the decorative veneer or UV coating. For your customers, this means every panel arrives flawless. Next in the video, this heavy-duty multi-blade saw allows us to rip large boards into precise slats with high speed efficiency. It guarantees a tolerance level that manual cutting simply cannot match. Uniformity across thousands of units. This is why wholesalers across the globe trust Enhance for their high volume orders. We are looking for long-term B2B partners to discuss wholesale pricing and technical specifications. Contact us today via WhatsApp or email. Let's build something better together. Thank you for watching.